Hello viewer, in this video I will show you Gemini storybook experiment not working. Step 1. Go to Gemini app. Click on Profile from the top right corner. Now scroll down. Click on Feedback. Click on Get Started. Allow one-time access. Now in the feedback box, write down, "Hi Google support team, my storybook experiment not working in Gemini app. Please solve this issue as soon as possible." Then send your feedback to the Google team. Now go back. Open Google Play Store. Now search Gemini app. From here, make sure your Google Gemini app is up to date. And please make sure you must be 18 or older. If your Google account age is under 18, the storybook gem will be hidden. And also make sure you use personal Google account.